little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a happy little strawberry character, and it's going to be super cute and fun. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a round shape like an oval. This will be our strawberry body. Now let's give our strawberry 2 tiny hands, one on each side. Great! On top, we'll draw the calyx, that's the leafy part. Draw a few curvy leaves like a crown. And now let's draw the stem right in the middle of the calyx. Time to add 2 cute legs, make them small and wiggly. All right. Let's draw the seeds, or what we call achenes, all over the strawberry. Just small oval shapes here and there.
La da 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 dee.
Now it's time to make it super adorable. Draw 2 cute eyes and a smiley mouth. You can also add eyelashes or blush if you want. Let's add a few details on the leaves to make it more realistic. Nice job, everyone! Our strawberry is complete, and look! It's dancing with joy! Now let's go over our lines again and make the outline bold and sharp, so the artwork really pops out. Awesome! Dance, strawberry, dance!
Yay!
Time to color. Hold up colored markers one by one. Let's start with bottle green color for the leafy part on top.
Wow!
Now use green color to add more depth to the leaves.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Next, we'll color the body with red color. Fill it all the way in.
Yay!
Color the little seeds with yellow color, so bright. Now the legs, let's use pink color to make them look fun.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Whoa! You did it! Our strawberry character looks so cute and full of life. If you had fun drawing with us today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more awesome drawing fun every week.
Yay!
Bye-bye! Keep drawing and smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.